Welcome to Pipeline. One of the most aggressive roller coasters in SeaWorld. No, no, por nada. Oh my God, here we go. Hope you guys are ready, because here we go. Oh my God! Yo! Where's the warning? Jeez, at least say 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, nope, I'm dangling. Oh my God, so aggressive. Feed me first. Oh, look at all them cars. Oh my God! Whirly whirl. Oh, okay. I think we're good. No, we are not good. Oh, look, Christmas. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, I can't feel my legs. What's going on here? What in the Sesame Street is this? Oh my God, okay. Now I'm a grasshopper. I'm jumping! Oh! Can you please just... Oh, what is that? Oh! Okay, we're good. Woo! Never again. Are you good? Oh my God, that was terrible. I have a headache.